I invite you now to find just a little bit more comfort in the present moment. Perhaps wriggling into the seat that you're in, or finding a nice cozy spot on the floor or the grass, or find yourself some support like a wall or a tree, the back of the chair that you're sitting in. Wherever you are, is it possible to find just a little bit more comfort so that you can find a little bit more ease in your current shape in this moment, right here and right now? Take these moments to wriggle in and settle in and get nice and cozy. And as you do so, allow yourself to tune in to your breath. Breathing in through the nose and exhaling out through the mouth. Noticing the sound and the quality of your breath. There is no good or bad here. It's just a noticing, an awareness. Seeing if you can lengthen your inhales and your exhales. Perhaps allowing a nice, long, slow inhale. And at the top of that inhale, take another little sip of air. And then a long, slow exhale. Allow the exhale to be an audible sigh or a sound, whatever comes naturally to you right now. And allow yourself to run through that breath a few times. A nice, long, slow inhale. Another sip of air at the top. And a nice, long, slow exhale. And as you continue to breathe, begin to notice the sounds you might be hearing. You might hear cars in the distance, birds in the trees, the gentle pitter-patter of feet around you, the wind rustling in the trees. If you have headphones in, perhaps take them down or turn the volume down so that you can tune into the room or the space that you are in. And consider, what is the furthest away sound that you can hear right now? And begin to bring this scan of sounds closer and closer to the room or the space that you are in right now. closer, closer until you get to the sounds of your body, your breath, the gurgles of your tummy, the sound of a sigh. And just take a moment to notice how it feels to be present and listening actively. Noticing and listening to the environment, to our bodies. And take another nice, long, slow inhale. And at the top of that inhale, take another sip of air. And exhale out through the mouth. Big sigh. Good. Feel free to continue this breathing for as long as you should like. Enjoy this present moment and this arrival into the here and now. Thank you, thank you, thank you.